In 6 minutes, I'm going to give you 6 remote jobs hiring right now. I have a nice variety, including jobs that are beginner-friendly, very entry-level, supervisor-level, tech support, and trust and safety. And FYI, I got these jobs directly off the company's careers page within their website, and I researched each company for legitimacy. We're going to scan through them so you can quickly see if any are right for you and then move on. Let's start with the contact center supervisor with Mutual of Omaha. I want to bring this one to you first because the application window closes today, October 30th. So fingers crossed, hopefully this job is still available by the time you see this video. But if not, don't worry, we have plenty more options for you. So in this job, you'll lead a team of claims customer service reps within the company's Workplace Solutions division. Basically, you'll make sure all the activities performed by those reps meet or exceed corporate policies, procedures, and directives. You'll monitor daily activities, make appropriate decisions, and you might resolve escalated issues. So for this position, they want you to have about 3 years leadership experience. And of course, you need effective human relations skills, and an insurance background is a plus. And as far as pay, right here on the job description, they tell us they'll pay you between $78,000 and $81,500 per year. So let's move on to our next opportunity. It comes to us from Rippling. They have an opening for a customer trust and safety specialist. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And you'll serve as the operational and strategic lead for all customer impacting security and trust events. You'll lead cross-functional coordination, drive communication strategies, and guide long-term improvements to how Rippling protects customers at scale. They'd like you to have about 2 years experience in trust and safety, security operations, risk, or compliance in a SaaS or financial services context. And of course, you need strong investigative skills and attention to detail. And you get bonus points if you have experience with fraud detection tools, privacy incident workflows, or customer identity verification systems. Now I'm scrolling around to see if they tell us how much they pay. Oh, way down here at the bottom of the job description. It depends on where you live. They have the salary broken out by tier, so you can earn anywhere from $86,000 all the way up to $178,500 per year. Next up, we have a patient support associate with Ripple Care. They provide dementia care. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. And down here at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you $19 to $25 per hour depending on experience. But don't worry because they're really not asking for much experience. You'll be responsible for following up on fall-offs, assisting with rescheduling, managing ongoing documentation and chart hygiene, and serving as a key operational support partner to the clinical care team. You'll reach out to patients who have missed appointments, support rebooking workflows, and perform outreach related to existing care gaps, including final MPOA, follow-up, post-initial appointments. And what they want from you is a passion for working with seniors, their families, and caregivers, and about 1 year experience in a customer service, administrative, or healthcare support role. You can use basic technology and you're familiar with HIPAA, or you have prior experience in a healthcare setting. So our next remote job comes to us from Meridian Link. They sell software to banks, credit unions, and other lenders to help them manage digital lending, account opening, and other financial processes. They're looking for a client support specialist to work remotely anywhere within the United States, and they tell us right here on the job description they'll pay you between $44,700 and $57,000 per year. So this looks like your typical customer support position where you'll respond to incoming client communications, you'll create meticulous documentation of interactions in the case management system, and facilitate escalations when necessary. They'd like you to have prior education or career experience, and they prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have a bachelor's degree and 0 to 2 years related experience or equivalent work experience. So that brings us to a live technical support representative with the company Pork Bun. So Pork Bun manages domain names. This is a full-time 40 hours a week position. You'll work Wednesday through Sunday. You'll have Monday and Tuesday off. They'll pay you $40,000 a year plus benefits. However, they're not hiring nationwide. For this job, you need to live in the states of California, Idaho, Oregon, Texas, or Washington. So this is your typical tech support kind of position where you'll assist customers who have issues regarding their domain names or websites. They want you to have experience with domains, hostings, DNS, but if you don't have that experience, you need very strong experience in live technical support. They're looking for someone with proven technical and diagnostic ability who loves learning new things. Life support experience that spans multiple modes of support such as email, chat, and phone is valued. So really, there's nothing more to say about this job. It's your typical tech support position. So that brings us to our final remote job. It comes to us from Rippling. So Rippling is a cloud-based HR platform. They have an opening for a customer support specialist to work the benefits division. This is a full-time remote position. However, they're only hiring in a few locations. They tell us right here you currently must reside in a Pacific or Mountain Time Zone state with the ability to work a shift between the hours of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. So unfortunately, this job is not hiring nationwide. It's your typical customer support position where you'll become a product expert, maintaining a high level of product knowledge to provide accurate information and assistance to both customers and your colleagues. You'll work with vendors and clients regarding policies, benefit eligibility, and claims issues, while responding promptly and professionally to customer inquiries via email, chat, or video conferencing. And what they want from you is a bachelor's degree and 0 to 3 years professional work experience or prior internship experience. You're a problem solver, you can manage your time well, and it would be nice if you're familiar with U.S. healthcare processes, terminology, and regulations, including COBRA and flexible benefits programs. Well, there you go, 6 remote jobs available right now. Hopefully one of them works out for you, and if you're looking for more, check out this video right here. Have a great day, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.